Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to learn some new English words? Today, we're going to learn 15 essential words that you can start using in your daily conversations right away. For each word, we'll show you a fun illustration, say the word clearly, and then use it in a simple sentence. This is the perfect way for beginners to build their vocabulary and feel more confident speaking English. Let's get started with our first word. Our first word is happy, happy, happy. This means feeling or showing pleasure. For example, she is happy because she received a gift. Next, we have sad, sad. This is the opposite of happy. It means feeling sorrow. For example, the boy is sad because his ice cream fell. Our third word is big, big, big. This describes something of a large size. For example, the elephant is a very big animal. And the opposite is small, small, small. This describes something of a little size. For example, the mouse is a small animal. Now for a useful action word, eat, eat. This is what you do with food. For example, I like to eat apples every day. And after you eat, you might drink, drink, drink. This means to take a liquid into your mouth and swallow it. For example, it is important to drink water. Let's learn another action. Run, run. This means moving with your legs at a speed faster than a walk. For example, the children run in the park. And a slower action, walk, walk. This means to move at a regular pace by lifting and setting down each foot. For example, we walk to school in the morning. Here's a word for a place you go to learn, school, 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 a place where children go to be educated. For example, my favorite subject at school is art. And here's a place where you live, house, house, a building for people to live in. For example, our house has a beautiful red door. This word describes a color, red, red, the color of blood or a ripe strawberry. For example, the stop sign is red. And another common color, blue, blue, the color of the sky on a clear day. For example, the ocean is a beautiful shade of blue. Let's look at a family member, mother, mother, a female parent. For example, my mother cooks delicious food for our family. And another family member, father, father, a male parent. For example, my father reads me a story every night. Our final word for today is friend, friend, a person you know well and like a lot. For example, I love to play games with my best friend. And that's all for today. You've just learned 15 new English words. Great job. Try to use them this week. Practice is the key to improving. Remember to watch this video again if you need to review. Thanks for learning with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. See you next time.